Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Aban?
Walaikum assalam. I am fine. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, even I'm fine. Aban, I wanted to say, have you noticed something very alarming lately?
If you are talking about vape, then yes. Too many students are using it as if it's normal.
Yes, that's what really scares me. They think vaping is better than smoking just because it smells better.
But the truth is, vaping is as dangerous as cigarettes. Sometimes even worse. A single vape can deliver more nicotine than a single cigarette.
And that too, cigarette ends in minutes, but vapes continue fast. That directly means stronger addiction and more damage to the lungs.
What most people don't even know is that vaping is illegal in India.
Illegal? What do you mean by that, Aban?
Yes, under the Prohibition of Electronic Cigarettes Act 2019, the sales, purchase, usage and storage of e-cigarettes and vapes are illegal. Violating this law can lead to heavy fines and even imprisonment.
Yet, most of the surveys show that the students between the age of 14 to 17 don't even know about these risks or even the ban.
And real incidents show the seriousness of it. Just recently, police seized lakhs worth of illegal vapes from shops in Indian cities.
This small device may look harmless, but it carries the chemical that damage our lungs, heart, and even the brain.
Doctors even warn that nicotine affects the developing brain, causing poor concentration, anxiety, addiction, and mood swings.
Vapes are designed to trap young people. Just look at it, how it is manufactured. Bright colors, sweet flavors like mango and mint. But what the result is? Long-term harm.
Cigarettes show the danger openly. Vapes hide it, but the damage is real.
It's very simple. We all need to ask a fundamental question. Is risking our life, future, or as a matter of fact, even breaking the law worth looking cool for a moment?
Real courage is saying no to vaping, to cigarettes, and to peer pressure.
Now, my message to the audience is, a vape may look harmless, but it carries the addiction, the illness, and the legal trouble. So, in India, it is banned, in life, it is damaging. Therefore, you all, don't read your lungs, your heart, or even your brain just for a few minutes of peer approval. Be informed, be strong, and say no to vaping. And remember, eating fruits is better than smoking fruits. Jazakumullah.
Jazakallah.